Good morning. Welcome back to Town Creek ATV. So on today's video, the Wolverine, we learned the hard way last year, has no wind resistance or cold resistance here. Now unfortunately they don't make hard cab enclosure or hard doors for the Wolverines. It's just they don't make them. They make them for the Viking, and obviously for the new R-Maxes, they have a full hard cab enclosure. But for the OG original Wolverines, they don't exist. Now, I have 3-star roof. I have a 3-star windshield, which you didn't see a video on that, but it was for 4 connectors, and it was on there. So that was super easy, super clean windshield. It's got the vents at the bottom, so you still get some airflow when you're riding. So we're going to be getting these installed today, and I'm also be walking you through at the very end of this video. I now have a channel bike. I know I've said that a million times, but I actually have a bike that I'm not selling. I'm going to keep it. It's going to be my full send, no fucks given, send it bike. I'll tell you why when you see it here in a second, but for now, let's get these doors installed. Welcome to Town Creek ATV. So 3-Star Industries sent me these. It's got pictures, so a guy can really just do it by the pictures. You know, the instructions are just there for backup, but the pictures just kind of tell the whole story. Now, we'll chuck that out of the way. These are the doors. Now, I got these very specific for a very, very specific reason, because I wanted the windows that can zip open. Okay, so I don't have to open the door, but the door also zips all the way off. So I can literally, instead of having to pull this off every single time I go to go ride, I can just roll them back and put them right here in the back of the cab here. So these windows are very high quality. They came wrapped, you can see it right there, they came wrapped in paper, like good like actual packing paper. So everything's super clean. They are slightly tinted, which is nice. So the first thing I've got to do is take the roof, at least fold it over so I can get to the bars, because I got to clean these bars off. I also have to take the mirrors, at least slide them down just a little bit. I'll explain that here in a second, but for now, go ahead and get the roof off. Super simple to do on the 3-Star, it's just this right here. It folds right over. I got to take these off, unfortunately. For the time being, we'll figure that out later. And I have to remove the original velcro from when I originally installed the roof there, because that's probably going to get replaced with new velcro. Let me show you this. I don't know, but I want to say this is probably worth $100 by itself. That's all velcro. It's all velcro. So that's going to be going on the bars as well as down here on the doors, to keep when you're riding, to keep the doors from just flapping in the breeze. So that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna go grab some spray cleaner, some rags, and I'm probably gonna have to redo all of these zip ties for the back glass. So I'm probably gonna get that knocked out real quick off camera, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so I've got the bar as clean as possible. I moved the mirror down about 2 inches, and I got the zip ties kind of put in a better location. These I think I'm going to have to kind of work around. I don't really have much of a choice on that. We'll have to figure that out as we go. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and put this adhesive stuff everywhere, basically. It's just a whole circle, pretty much. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get rolling on that. I'm definitely going to speed this video up, so let's get after it. on here. Oh, shit. Yeah, let's just drop it on the ground. That's good. And we'll see how we turn out. Got a tag over there. That's going to be dirty all the time. Hold on there. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. It's pretty daggone close. I'm going to leave that right where it's at. I like it in there. Let's do it this way. So what you're going to do is take your zipper here, turn it up. And you're going to take this. My recommendation would be to roll it inward on itself. Not real tight. You don't want to go crazy. You don't want to crease the glass or the clear plastic so you can see through it. Roll it up. Then on the inside here, you have straps that come around like this. There's also one on the bottom too, I think. Get it wrapped in there how you want it. You just take these straps and you pull them tight to the top one. And the one I just fished out, get the bottom one. You know, so that's one option. A little loose. There. So that's one option. The other option is, of course, you can just remove this since it's all just Velcroed up there if you wanted to. But that's like if you're just out and you just want to hold them off, let some wind get through, then you have that option. Me, I'm probably just going to do the window thing. Get this zip back up here. Yep, and then it pulls it right back. And that's it. There's your door. So I'm just gonna probably start, instead of doing it this way, I'm gonna show you a different way you can do it. The other side, which is just gonna be basically lay your door out flat, put all your Velcro on it where you want it, and then just try to line it up as best you can. Of course, you can make adjustments as you go. That's not a problem. So I'm gonna get this side put away here, and we'll start the other side. Okay, so we're going to be doing this one a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all the places where there's the other side of this stuff. And I'm going to cut the strips perfectly to match each section. And, you know, hopefully this goes well. I don't know. It's untested. I've never done it before. But we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. So, here we go. I'm encased all the way around. This side went okay. Probably could have used just doing it the original way, but I'm not mad. It worked pretty good. And the 3-star roof worked just fine with it. So this will actually probably keep it really nice in here. Of course, when it's parked in the garage, I'm going to be leaving the windows down just to make sure I can get air in and out. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked with this, guys. If you want a cab enclosure for your Wolverine, our spec regardless, doesn't matter. Get up with side-by-side stuff. They sell the 3-star products. These are all custom made. There's actually markings I can see on here from where they were sewing and stitching stuff in. So they're custom made for your vehicle. Guys, they're not really all that expensive. So get you one. I was able to make it work with my windshield and my back glass here, so that's awesome. So this is going to make riding in the wintertime, the 3 or 4 days we get here in North Carolina where it's actually cold, really nice, because the engine just heats up the cab. You know, as long as no one farts, it's mint. So that's going to pretty much do it for this. I'm going to tighten everything up, get everything back the way it was, and I'm going to show you the channel bike, the new channel bike. We'll talk about it a little bit, and that's going to be a wrap for this video. I would like to introduce you to the new channel rig. This is a 97 Honda 300 that has been stripped of all the important safety features like brakes and the reverse switch, and you know, all that stuff is gone. Your plastics gone, but this is really cool. Check this out, guys. For as ugly as it is, it just starts right up. So this is a channel rig because it is not safe to sell on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't pay really anything for it. It is four-wheel drive, which is the only reason I actually bought it. I finally have something I can destroy and not feel bad about it. So stick around for that, guys. This one's gonna make a lot of videos with me. I'm sure of it. I'm gonna keep it for a long time. May look at putting at least a front disc brake kit on it. I don't know. And I have another bike right here that I'm gonna do a whole different video on at some point in the future. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. I really appreciate it. I see every subscriber and it just makes my day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you want a t-shirt or a sticker or a sweatshirt or a hat, let me know. I'll get some sent to you. Stickers are free. That's on me. Shirts, sweatshirts, and hats, I'll let you know pricing as you request them. Happy New Year. Please be safe tonight. If you drink, have a designated driver. If you don't drink, be a designated driver. Or just do what I do and get drunk at the house. Peace.